Welcome to your first look at the animal kingdom. From the tiniest insects to the mightiest predators, nature is full of surprises. Did you know ants can carry up to 50 times their own body weight? Or that elephants communicate using sounds humans can't even hear? Birds travel thousands of miles during migration. And dolphins? They're so smart they even give each other names. Every corner of Earth is alive with creatures adapting, surviving, and thriving in their own unique way. This is just the beginning of our journey into the animal kingdom. If you love exploring nature's wonders, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing discoveries.